Good morning. We are starting the day with a nice cruise with some mates. So we gotta head there if the car starts. It's so cold. So we gotta head there. Now we're having a pre-meet at 8 and it's 7:50. So we are, as always, running late. We always run late to like cruises and meets and stuff. I don't know why. Come back after the cruise, put on some new rotors, some new brakes. Let's drive to the meet. I need to finish my power bun and yeah, I need some coffee as well. I love this DC2 so much. Just look at it.
Nah, it's not registered right now. Isn't it? I'm on a moving permit. Oh, nice. So my next thing is up between.
Alright, so we're back home after the cruise. It was pretty nice cruise actually. It was a good way to start the day on a Sunday. Now we're just waiting on my cousin to come here because she wants to learn about how to work on cars and try to teach her as best as we can. I thought what a good way then to start on changing rotors and brake pads. Just keep it simple at first and then we'll keep it going. These are the rotors that we are going with. We're going with a slotted rotor all round with some DBA Street Performance pads. Look how nice these look. I'm glad they painted this hub black just so no rust kind of shows. These look so freaking nice. I love the look of the slotted rotors. Oof, look at that. It's as per usual, just gotta jack the car up here and then we'll do the fronts first and then we'll do the rears and yeah, should be good. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. Are you ready? Okay, so what we're gonna do, oh yeah, this is the apprentice for what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show her on this side here, move over to the other side, and then she's going to do it all by herself. Hopefully you don't break my car, but it's fine, it's fine, it's okay, it's okay. Alright.
It's okay if I do.
I mean, no, but we're just gonna get straight into it and then try to teach us some stuff. Alright, let's go. We are replacing this, and the brake pads are in here. In order for this to come out, we gotta take this off. Yeah? Okay. We'll probably take out the brake pads first, and then take the caliper off. It's easier if you like turn it this way.
Right.
And so you have access to the bolts out of the back here. There's only like 2 bolts that's holding this in. This shim that's holding it, and this rod that's holding the shim. Okay, I'll just show you. In here, there's like these clips. Twist the rod where the clips are like out, just so you can take them out. And then push them in from this side.
Oh, I needed to remind you of that rattling thing.
Oh yeah, thanks.
Yes.
Totally forgot. So there's like a rattle happening in like the rear of my car. Suspecting it's a exhaust bolt. Okay. Yeah, that's what it is. So
I'm like, everything's fine.
that's when you lose shit. So with the pads, you just pull them out like that. These pads are still good.
Oh, bro.
These are righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, but they're on the back. And so if you're facing this way, you have to go right.
Right, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the caliper. And so just put this to the side. Good work. Okay.
You're tired already?
I'm tired already. There's usually a thing that's in here.
Yeah. Why isn't there a thing?
Only the front one has that. Since I don't have that.
Nice.
It's fine because I'm not using this anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah. Feel that?
Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah.
Nice.
These aren't bad either.
I had a feeling you were gonna say that.
These aren't bad either. And so these are what we're changing. Looks nice.
They're pretty. I like them.
I like them.
I like them too.
Fancy! I'm so happy. These are like the sports brakes.
Right.
And so usually they have the normal ones where it's like the cradle.
Okay.
And then a thing on top.
Yeah.
And so you just take that thing on top,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, so that's rotors change. The things you want to keep is these ones here.
Uh-huh.
You should really like properly clean these.
I love how you just swiping it with your fingers.
Just put these in and then should be good.
Yeah, change your nose, bro.
Why? Oh shit.
Wait, you're wearing two?
Yeah, I'm very true. They both ripped. That's sweat.
Yeah, mine are already sweaty. I haven't even done anything yet.
Yeah.
Have you seen those people how like when they find cars like on the streets and stuff and they take Polaroids and
Yeah.
leave them for them?
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
so cool. That's so cool. I love that.
There's this guy, I think in the States or something. He has like a camera and then he has like a printer in his car.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
bro,
so
that's
cool.
so sick.
Oh, I love that.
The brakes changed.
Nice. I'm cleaning it now. It's annoying me,
Yeah, me too. It's not perfect, but
but it's something. It's
honest work. How do you feel about it?
excited.
Excited? Okay,
Yeah.
cool. That's what we want. I'm gonna pump these brakes just so the rotors sit in properly. Wasn't too hard, right? We're over to the other
See what
side.
happens.
And okay, good luck. Yeah. Okay. I trust you. I trust you. Just do like what you think is right,
Okay.
and then if you have any questions, just let me know. Try to help you out. You're good. You're good. It's fine. Brother, come on. Nice. Oh dang. How are those? Oh, these are still so thick, brother. Man. Like, I might keep them for a rainy day. Just in case. Nice. How's that?
Pretty good.
Chilled?
Yeah.
What's next?
This.
Nice.
No, I need this one, don't I?
Yep.
Putting it on feels like it's hard, but it's actually really easy.
What do you mean? You good there?
Yeah, bro.
Like, just force it down. Like, yeah.
I knew that.
Nice, look at that. Oh. Man, you're strong, eh? Wow.
Did I just tighten it?
Did you really?
I think I did.
Flick that on the back of that? Yeah, the other way, yeah. Yay. It's out.
Yay!
Good job.
Dance hammer.
Good job. Is this the part you've been waiting for? you just want to like hit something? I get it. Your tools are actually like laid out nicely.
That's why, like,
That's crazy.
Because you gotta make sure, like, you know.
That's the difference right there. That's literally the difference. Mine was just like everywhere. Even the rods are like together. The pins are together. This is how it really should be. Everything's out on the mat. This is satisfying to see. This is what people want to see. Like, just organized stuff.
I don't like how this is not clean. Oh no, my circle's not perfect. Oh no.
Has to be perfect. The standards are high here. You're the one that set the standard with how clean these have to be. Look at that. It's never been this clean before.
Wait, so obviously because when you do it, you don't get everything ready prior to.
Here comes the roast, yep.
So do you just like struggle?
What do you mean, bro? Struggle how?
I don't know, like, like sometimes do things just fall apart?
The way I do it is like, if I have everything laid out, then it confuses me. If I'm doing something, then I only get that part out and do that first.
Okay.
And so it's not like everything laid out, yeah, because then it'll like confuse me. It just like scatters my brain. And I'm just
fair
like,
enough.
wiggle it first and see if it comes out. Okay, no, smack it if you want. yeah, go on, go on, smack the car.
I'm scared.
smacking a gong. This is the last little bit. It's fun, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Nothing like a bit of frustration. So done?
All done.
Look at that. Yeah, look, there's 3 pedals down there. Whichever the brake is, okay?
Wait, your car's not manual, is it?
It is manual.
I'm so confused.
So there's 3 pedals, accelerator,
Yeah.
brake, clutch, right?
Yeah.
Press the brake. Yep. Both the front rotors are done. Good?
Yes.
I put these on already and oh my gosh. These look so good. Moving on to the fronts now. We're going to do them at the same time so we can smash it out. Yeah, so we'll see if she's learned anything from the front. Yeah, so she's hasn't started this side yet, but just see how you go.
Cool.
See how you go.
I give up.
You give up?
I think I'm gonna be here for a long time.
Not here for a good time.
Not here for a good time.
Push it towards the piston.
Towards this way?
It's a pull it out a bit. There you go.
Nice.
Nice, man.
Just need an extra help.
I'm gonna cheat.
You're cheating, okay. Sounds fun. Like the position that I'm putting myself in makes it harder for me. I'm doing it to myself first.
Oh, you dog. Oh.
Are you okay?
You good?
I got it.
Nice. Look at that. Yay, you're a professional. Yay.
What did you do?
It should just pull out now.
Are you serious?
Maybe have a try.
No, it's not.
No? Okay, still smack it. It's because the handbrake was on.
Oh my god. Oh my
God. That's my fault. Mine's out.
What?
What are you doing?
Bad.
Bad. Oh damn, that's really stuck on there, eh?
Yeah.
Look at that. This here is the adjustment for the handbrake, right? Mm-hmm. And so if you wind it, it either this expands out or expands back in. Nice. Yay! Nice.
Now to put it all back together.
Wow, you're really in the fender there. Like half your body's in there.
Really? Really? No way.
I was like, damn, where'd you go?
No, to be honest,
It's
a lot.
big,
Yeah,
hey?
it's a lot of
huge.
space.
Like, there's so much space in there. Sorry.
That's okay.
I'm going again.
Okay.
Yep. You took the 2 pins and left 2 pins for me. Like you didn't just take the whole packet.
Obviously, why would I take the whole packet?
Thanks, man.
Oh, good man.
My side's done. But we've got a bit of an issue on the other side. I just keep hearing screaming. So where'd you go? Oh.
I'm behind you.
Hi.
Hello.
What's happening?
Just trying to put this in, but it's just not going in.
The
but
pads aren't going in?
Yeah, but I also feel like I'm getting foot cramp, bro. I also feel like I haven't done something properly, which is why it's not going in properly.
Push. Push. It's going in.
Come on.
You did really well.
Thank you.
You did really well. I'm actually impressed. Nice.
Thanks.
Thanks for helping me, man.
All good.
Appreciate it. You worked on my car. Yay. Yay. Put the wheels back on and then drop the car and we're done. Might just end it here, and thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for helping me with the Rotors today. How was it?
It was really fun.
Yeah?
I enjoyed it.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, click that subscribe and like button down below, and yeah, we might see more.
Oh my
Maybe.
hands.
I mean, you got your hands dirty, that's fine. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace.